What is going on, guys? If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Josh. I'll be heading around Australia in February of 2024. So if you are new, hit that subscribe button. You'll be in for a wild ride. Alright, boys and girls, so this is my first video. I hope you enjoy it. So I've got this BT50. That's what it used to look like about 6 months ago with the old canopy on it, but I've decided to change the canopy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a canopy using a $1 budget. It is doable. You just have to deal with a bunch of scraps. So I don't know how much I'll get done in this video, but stay tuned for it. It will be a good video. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to me. It'll be great if you can. It may be a little thing for you, but it's a big thing for me because I need it. But either or, sit back, enjoy the bloody video. I decided to give the wheels, the bull bar, and a tray a paint job. That's what it looks like when it's all done. It was time to put the rod holders back on, and next set would be the spotlights. Alright, boys and girls, we have finished the spotties and the paint job. Now it's time to start on installing the rooftop tent. I'm going to start by first putting the back window on my car, and then we should get to it. So that's probably the biggest job half done. Obviously not the biggest job, but one of the biggest, because of the tent's probably going to be the biggest to chuck on there, but it'll be quite easy to do. It's quite heavy, so yeah, stay keen for that, I guess. So I bolted it on. I didn't video doing that because it's probably quite boring, but yeah, no, it's on there now, and yeah, it looks great. So I've got these brackets to put the rooftop camper on my roof rack, but the only thing is these parts here don't fit properly now, so I've decided I'm going to cut this part flush with that hole, and then hopefully the thing fits on. Well, these are all these cuts done. They're a bit warm, but yeah, that's fine. I've got some boys coming over to help me pick up my rooftop tent to install it, but I'm not going to video it because I don't know if they want to be videoed or not. So we'll chuck it on, and then I'll show you how it goes. Alright, boys and girls, we have some good news. We have the rooftop tent up. You probably can't see it too well because of the sun. That's it up there though, boys and girls. So my first thoughts is, I'll look at this car, I see these things, I reckon I'm going to lose them. So we're going to take them off because they're really annoying trying to take down and up all the time, so we're just going to take them off. It'll make the car look better anyway. Alright, boys and girls, we found a place for the bars to stay for the next year or 2 years or 3 years, who knows. You know, with this part done, I can actually put this toolbox all the way to the edge now. How good's that? Alright, we're going to let the music take over. boys and girls. We've got our side door. It's just over there at the moment. We're going to chuck it up there and we're going to paint it all out, and then we'll show you it once that's done, because I don't have enough charge on my phone at the moment, so see you all when it's done. Right, so this here river gun's broken. I'm trying to get the thing to grip, but it won't grip. And it's right fitting, right? But yeah, because none of the rest of them fit, so it's right fitting, but it's just not gripping. So I've tried it with that thing off, but it's not gripping. So I'm gonna have to buy another one. Yeah, look at that. That looks bloody gorgeous, boys and girls. I'm so proud of it. Yeah. However, obviously the car ain't done, so we're gonna continue. So I just want to say something real quick before we start music again. You know this pipe up here, this thing. This is going to be the cage for Rusty. I wasn't expecting this, but I'm gonna have to cut a single piece out of this to fit it underneath the PVC pipe. boys and girls, if you made it this far, hey, good. If you haven't already subscribed, obviously hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Now what we've all been waiting for, the budget. So I'm not sure if I want to include a tent in this or not, but I might as well. So the tent was $500. Roof rack I got for free. So probably just say like that would cost like $50 off of Gumtree or Facebook or something. The toolbox I got for $100, so that's already $650 already. Let's say the toolbox, and if the shelf wasn't free and stuff, I had another 50 onto that. That's $700. 100 for Bunnings stuff and tip stuff, so that's 800 so far. So we have managed to stay underneath the budget with including the tent as well. So how good is that? Either all, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the video. There will be a new video every single week, so stay tuned for them. They'll be good. They'll be different every single time until I head off in February, but they're gonna always be good. Another few videos that I will be posting about is of my Scotland trip. So for those of you who didn't know me personally, I went off to Scotland about a month ago, so I'll be posting about that soon, so stay keen for that as well. That'll probably take a month's worth of videos off my chest, but yeah, stay keen for it, and see you all in a week.